Listen to the whisper of its engine. That 2-liter inline 4-cylinder, which between my fingers has found its perfect symphony. Every piston, every valve, like a musical score to which I devoted myself with passion. The roars of this rally beast resonate in my memory, where every turn of the wrench was a caress to this powerful mechanism. As the years go by, my hands age. The secrets I've passed on, the stories whispered in the workshop, continue to resonate through time. The Fiat Abarth 131 Rally GR4 remains a cornerstone in the history of rallying, a canvas where every screw, every nut has been meticulously woven into the grand narrative of motorsport. From the moment the idea of acquiring a classic car is born to the moment, it becomes a reality. The road is sometimes long and tedious. Drive Vintage is able to guide you through all the steps, from the acquisition to the sale of your dream classic car.